and the handsome macho man, Maki Escalona. And of course, our favorite English teacher and the most scrumptious woman, Miss Mara Mara.
Good evening, Ateneo!
And of course, the lovely, ever youthful, the Miss White and beautiful, Miss Jessica Mendoza. Ha? Hindi, kala ko yung akin na itong mix eh.
Ang dami ngayon ha, isulok ka din. Ang dami nila.
So many people.
Kaya lang may problema ako, Chico.
Ang dami mo ng problema, ano na naman yan?
Hindi, ang dami nila, wala naman tayo naririnig.
Ayun nga eh.
Parang ang balangatalan. Nangihinom na, o nagipag-usap, di ba?
Kailangan sasagutin yung tanong namin. Ateneo, does it feel good to be back? Parang nga namang masarap yung feeling na
Creepy tayo, brad.
Parang mahina, parang wala ako gano'ng nangihinom pa rin.
kailangan celebratory tayo dito.
Kasi para sa akin ha, sabi nila, ang mga tingisa daw, may nayabang. Hindi ba kayo doon?
May karapatan.
May karapatan bakit? Hindi, wala naman gano'n. Presidente ng Pilipinas, atinista. Chief Justice natin, atinista. Tapos ang teams pa natin, champion. Kaya lang, yung yabang nyo, ilabas nyo naman ngayon. Can we hear it again? Can someone ask them again?
Does it feel good to be back here, ladies and gentlemen? That is so much better.
Beautiful
Than I
music.
expected, because you know when you're in Araneta Coliseum, yung crowd, crazy crowd. And we want that crowd to be here tonight. Okay, so it's not just basketball that we're sort of...
We're here together again. Tonight we remember the past year, remember the challenges, remember the blessings also. We're also here to give thanks. It has been a very good year for our teams, for the Ateneo, for all of us. But tonight we're here to celebrate. Yes, we're here to celebrate. So I hope that each one of you will look at your neighbor and say, we thank the Lord for tonight. We come together to praise Him and to say, we are here, Lord, and we will use all that we have to make a better Ateneo and a better Philippines. So enjoy the night, enjoy the show. This is for you, this is for the teams, this is for Ateneo. Welcome to all of you.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give another big round of applause for Father Ben Nebres. Okay, it's Father Ben's last year, no? As president. That makes me sad. He's obviously very proud of his teams. He's very proud of his school. He's very proud of everybody being here tonight.
Walang baga na kamay.
Yo, Iggy Mamay! Show us some love!
Magandang gabi Ateneo!
Good evening, Ateneo!
Ateneo! Nandito na naman kami!
Ateneo! We are here again right now!
Well, pwede mo nang pumati. Gusto ko lang patingin si Tita Mita Dalaraman sa basketball office kasi siya yung nanay namin dito sa basketball team. Tsaka si Matt Gonzalez, siya yung tumutulong sa amin sa school pag may kailangan yung Joey. Back to the question. First and last year sa Ateneo. Well, nung una kasi, nung recruit ako dito, nung nag-tryout ako sa school, we thought na 2 years ako maglalaro sa Ateneo, pero nung summer, we found out na
Talent and effort. Sobrang magpasalamat sa inyo lahat. 5 years
Ahora naman! Napaka-diligent.
Next year, sama-sama na yung economics.
Give it up for Mr. Eric Salamat!
Siyempre, what a way to end the speech with a dance number. At saka tol, parang ng finance lang eh. Pinagsasabi mo lang sa atin. At ano tol, sino ba makita si Eric at ang buong team na sumayaw? Yeah! So can I request the Bible if you're still there? Can you please hit the job again for Mr. Eric and the team? Guys, sama-sama tayo. Last call na natin to. Hello. Ayaw daw. Ayaw daw na eh.
Okay.